Hey YouTube, so today I want to show you a neat trick on these Ford. It's a Ford Escape, and I want to show you, a Ford Fusion. I want to show you a little trick with the door handles. Oftentimes you'll have these cars and that inside door handle will break, meaning that when you pull the door handle, you can't open the door. Okay, but you see that? It's not opening the door. But, you know, inside the car, you need to get out in emergency. Let me show you how you can open that door real easy. If you pull this handle, okay, and you pull the lock, look at that. It'll open every time. Pull the handle, take the lock, push it in the back, it'll open. Okay? We're going to sit down inside the car and show you that again. Alright? For those of you who have this type of problem. So, you see your door's closed? Alright, now, you want to open it? Won't open. Oh my gosh, what happens? So, pull that and pull your lock. Boom. It opens up. See that? Alright, now I'm explaining to you why that happens. If we take this door handle off, which was so cheaply designed by the manufacturer, and flip it over, we'll see that there's one cable that actually actuates the door lock mechanism down there. Alright, so you see that right there is the lock on the top. Alright, and down there at the bottom you have the handle right there. So with the handle right there, like that, and then the door lock right there, there was a little plastic piece in there that fell out. But normally that little plastic piece would engage and then it would pull it back. So that's why you can unlock it with the actual lock lever, because there's only one cable that's attached to two pieces here. Bottom piece breaks, you still have control. They can unlock it there. Alright, I hope this helps some of y'all. I know you don't want to be trapped in your car in an emergency or something, and it's not always convenient just to roll the window down to open the door, and then you got to roll your window up, and anyway, bump all that crap. Like I said, grab, pull, and you can get out. Show you one more time. Alright, I won't lock. Now you can still lock the door, okay? You can still lock it. The door's locked right there. Alright, so you want to get out, pull the handle, and pull that little knob, pull the handle, pull that little knob, pull the handle, pull that little knob, and you're out of there. Alright, any questions, comments, or ideas on this? Post chat. Oh yeah, there's your window motor, guys, in case you don't know what that looks like. But if you have any questions, comments, or ideas, please post chat, subscribe. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a great day.